Hello guys, so I had to restart the stream. The stream was not working properly. We have some issues now, so now we started another stream. Okay, yeah, it was some issues with the YouTube, not with my system. I can see now all the messages are coming here. So yeah, okay. I hope you all join this stream. Let me do one thing. Let me send the link to the stream to our WhatsApp group also, so that people can join the stream from there. Yeah, yes, YouTube is strange. I in my YouTube studio I could not see anybody join the stream, so it was a little bit weird. Okay, let me send this to WhatsApp group also. I hope this time it worked fine and I can see all of you who are on the stream. Okay, 2 people are watching right now, guys. Let me know if I'm audible or not. Okay, Pallav. Good evening, Pallav. How are you doing? Nice. Madhiya SEO Ausar. AOA. What is it? Madhiya SEO. Welcome to the stream. Is the first time you join the stream? Okay, okay. And now I think everything is working fine. Yeah. It was not working. Maybe it needs some update or something, software. How it is going, guys? How are you doing? How is your week going on until now? We are middle of the week, and yeah. But not glowing today. Why? Not glowing today? Maybe less sunlight. It's very cloudy here. It's very cloudy and very, how you say, it's very dark also. Let me do one thing. Let me try to use another. Yeah, maybe more cloudy now. Okay, I think it will be much better now. Yeah, it was very cloudy. It's raining here in Paris, so we have no more summer. You can see I'm wearing full sleeves now. Okay, so let me send the message in the group. How it is going, Pallav? How are you doing? Audible Saji, thank you so much for the feedback. How are you, sir? Sagun, I'm doing good. How are you doing? Thank you so much for asking. Sir, after Google spam day, my website, entire traffic. Hello, VR. How are you doing? Now glowing. It doesn't matter. You should be glowing. After spam day, my clicks in posts are increasing. So can you share with me WhatsApp group link? It's on the channel, guys. Search on the channel. You will find the link to the channel. We have a dedicated video where we talk about the WhatsApp group, because we have some rules and regulation for the group. It's not a help group. I want to talk about this, that our WhatsApp group is not a help group. It's not for anybody and everybody join and just ask for help all the time. No, it's a community group. If you want to be part of community, you can join the group. It's not like you come and you start posting your issues. No, it's not that group. It's unmonitored group. The group is about you come there, you provide some value, make connection, and then ask for help. It's not like just everybody is there waiting to help anybody who joins the group. It's not like that group. Please do not join the group like that. And there's some certain rules and regulation about the group. We are handling this group for more than 10 days now. It's very complicated right now to handle the WhatsApp group. And yeah, people don't understand that we need to maintain some basic rules to help the group. For example, you should be kind. You should not be spamming the group. One very big problem I saw with the group is that when somebody is asking a question and people are trying to help them, other people jump into the conversation in middle and they cut the conversation and they ask their own questions. I think that's very selfish. So that's why I'm telling this group is not for everybody. People in the WhatsApp group, if anybody watching the live, is for everybody. This law is for everybody. This rule is for everybody. It's more like a guideline. It's not a law or a rule. But be respectful. Let other people finish. Let other people get the help. Then after you ask a question and be nice. Start with hi, hello, something. Say thank you, please. All these things. Yeah, because people who help you, they help for free. We don't pay them, you don't pay me, I don't pay anyone, but we just try to help each other. So I want to create this nice self-help group. So yeah, there's some guidelines I will recommend you, and please do not cut conversation. That's not nice. I see some people, they always post their questions all the time, 10 times in couple of days, but they never help to anybody. So this group is not for those people. This is a community, it's not a help group. I want to clear that also. Okay, let's move on. Let's see what comments we have. We have cloudburst in Kolkata last Monday, entire main city underwater. Wow, 15+% electrocuted because live wires in cloud. Oh my god. I'm sorry to hear that, Pallav. I did not read that news. I'm sorry to hear about that. I think right now it's happening everywhere in Southeast Asia. I think maybe other countries also. The floods are everywhere wherever it's raining season. Yeah, and some people say global warming is not real. Whew. Hello, I can find your LinkedIn profile. Search Abhishek Sharma, you will find my LinkedIn profile. I think it's on my YouTube channel info also. I have added my let me see. Discord right now. Search on LinkedIn and you'll find. Mine is like, you can search with Abhishek Sharma and then you'll find me. I have the same picture which I have on YouTube. The same picture I'm using on everywhere. Second number 100. Ha, it's popular now. What do you mean 100? I didn't get the point of this. New success idea. Hello sir. Hello, hi, how are you doing? Google openly challenges ChatGPT. What? I don't get the point. Sagun, can you explain please, dear? Wakif P, hi bro, hi, how are you doing? And also, I want to talk to you about this. Did I explain about the titles in the last video? No. Sir, is still SEO worth some money once they move to AI automation? Whoever is saying AI automation, I'm sure they have no idea about SEO or any technical things. What do you mean AI automation? What is AI automation? Does not work like that. They are spamming you. Just watch their content, see what level. Either they are always making the content show numbers and stuff. You can ask people in the group, guys. Let know what who is recommending AI automation. Wellness Mitra just subscribe. Welcome to the channel, Wellness Mitra. Dhruv Gujar. Hello sir, how can we rank in ChatGPT for Scratch site as initial steps? Okay, there is a very interesting video on the channel. You can watch the video, but I can tell you, first of all, try to make snippet featured content. Like for example, I created a very detailed video. Let me show you the video. Yeah, Pallav. I know. No time dear. You see, even videos are not coming on the channel these days. I'm super busy these days, like almost no time for doing anything. So if you watch, this is AI SEO guide. So I explain everything step by step process in this video, that what you need to do in order to rank on AI search engines. I explain every steps. For example, the first one is create direct and snippet content. And I give you example from the ranking websites where it is working, that step by step what you need to do is. So snippable direct content you can do, and then we have more things. I think that was the video published like a couple of months ago, but a very useful video. And then I explained, I think it's a 4 or 5 step process. Okay. Second, you have to make content with intent of plus conversational search. For example, like if somebody search a query which is the best mountain bike, so your content should have like conversational based content. For example, you can see here, okay, let's say this example, you can see on the screen, so best student phones 2025 or cheap smartphone 2025. This was like traditional search, it does not work. So when you use GEO, you can apply the more direct approach. For example, what is the best phone for student who takes Zoom classes and photos, and then you answer that. So your content should have multiple snippets, and also it's conversational search. It should be having your content will be conversational based. So instead of writing, like 2000 words, long words on that content, you should be answering like how you answer your friends. NLP also is very important. Like for example, everybody who is using ChatGPT and stuff, they will never get this point, because they will never generate the skills, they will never learn the skills how to write in NLP. For example, like people write battery optimization techniques for smartphones. No, nobody talks like that. Instead, what you should be doing, how can I make my phone battery last longer during college? Ask NLP questions, write in NLP language. And yeah, but just watch this video, and this is very useful video. I can recommend this video to everyone who have not watched this video already. So let me see where I can send the, okay. So yeah, just to answer you, this was a little glimpse at how you rank your content for AI searches, and I explain in very detail. In new video of Amit Tiwari, I don't know, sir, how to explain. What is this new video? I haven't watched the new video of Amit Tiwari. I'm going to add this video on the one I shown you just now in the chat box, so you guys can watch this video. Get from ChatGPT AI searches. Please watch this video, very important video, and take notes also. It's not just like when you just watch a video for fun. You have to really implement those things on your website. Sagun sir is super busy in earning $1 million. Thank you for your quick response. Is the website to make snippets and JSON file? What do you mean to make snippets and JSON file? No, this is what I'm saying. You have to develop skills. And why, I don't know, we are not matching. I think you have to please watch this video first, and then we can talk about this more. Okay. So after Google spam update, my entire site gone. Many changes, updated spam disorder tool, but not working. But I have a video already, I think, on this spam update. How are you creating the content? Are you creating content using AI? What is your content? Where are you getting the content? If your website gets flagged in a spam update, it means your content is not valuable. It was mostly scrapped content or duplicate content. Mobile first website, Von ZZ. Mobile first website design also matters. Most coming from mobile device. Okay. Dev rules. Hi sir, how are you? Dev rules. I'm good. How are you doing? You have given a lot of good suggestion on my website in the past. I've also created a new website. Nice. Thank you so much for appreciation. So why don't you provide SEO course, sir, from basic to advanced? Dev rules. I already have courses on my channel. Why you want to pay money? This mostly, I tell you, this channel is not the main objective of channel. This channel is not to make money. This channel is to help you guys, to promote the right things and to teach you guys what I do in my professional life, to teach you guys what's happening in the industry. So I don't want to, so many courses, you go on the channel, this like complete courses, like mini courses, so many courses, you can find everything for free. Why you want to pay money for, for watching the videos? Or maybe maybe I think people, they are more serious when they pay money for any course. I understand that point, but I think everything for free is good for now. Me not well, sir, from past. What happened here? Dhruv, use ChatGPT to create snippets, but don't know what you mean by JSON. No, you cannot create snippet with ChatGPT. This is not, this is the thing. It can give you any snippets. It will create a snippet for you, but it can never write your own language. Snippet is something you should be writing by yourself, like figure out questions and then write yourself. It's very complicated to ChatGPT. It's going to take even more time to ask answer from ChatGPT. For example, I tell you what I do. So when I am, like in my free time, I am working on the videos on the channel. For example, I say ChatGPT, okay, give me ideas like how to rank one for AI searches, and I have my own information. But I ask, see what ChatGPT gonna give. It's gonna make my work simple, easy to make the script for you guys. But most of the time, it's it's not really good quality content. It's good for basic people, the generic advice, but not really expert advice. And then I have to write script most of the time, like 99.9% I have to write whole script myself. Then I ask ChatGPT Perplexity to find the links and stuff, how I can make it helpful, take help of all these things. But it won't work super nice. I have never scaled to posting 10 blogs a day. Is it safe? 10 blogs a day is a lot. I don't know how you can maintain quality. Just if it's just you, only one person writing, only one author writing 10 blog posts per day. I don't know how you maintain the quality. Let us know how you maintain the quality. I'm sure you are creating AI scrapping content. So please give me Zorgo's tab update. Last time said I'll think about. Yeah, I'll think about the course. But see, I made this video. If you want to watch. This video I created, it's real nice video. It's like complete course on this advice I give in this video. If you watch this video, 30-minute long video, explosive CTR guide, title description, and I received more than 10 people who said we implement this video and they got results. Like one person who said, Sagun, was it you said today you got result? And other people also told me. I received some emails that people say they got real nice result in like just couple of days after implementing the title and description. So this is a complete course, 30 minutes course now about title and description. For example, if you do this course, then there is a topical map for videos. This is a complete course. Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel like to. Yeah, I think I have a lot of things given. I'm happy in my life. I don't want to like make money for now for selling courses. Maybe in the future, if this channel become very big and I want to hire some people, we're gonna do the courses. I'm not saying I would never do, but I don't think right now I need to make money out of courses. Watch this kind of videos. Just think like you're paying for the courses and just watch those. Give some money to your brother or your family or friends and say, think that this is the money for the course, and then you can watch my video. Also, you can join channel membership. If you want to check channel membership, you want to support the channel, you can join channel membership. Alcoholic liver problem, sir. Oh no, dear. Is it because of the alcohol or because of the fats? Because I know some people might have this issue not because of alcohol. It's also because of the fatty liver also. But yes, it's because of alcohol, then please don't drink. It's not good for health. Sir, I think is asking about code snippet, not the SEO snippet. Code snippet. But again, why you need. Okay. Yeah, a lot of things we need to talk about this. Let's do. I was thinking other day we should be doing a Zoom meeting because yeah, it's much better. Zoom meeting or Google Meet where everybody can come live and then talk and we can discuss about the problems. But then again, it always comes. Sometimes I think like people they will be like, you are implementing a lot of rules and laws, but it's very complicated to help somebody. Everybody wants their own help. Nobody wants to wait for other people's help. People want their own website audited, but when I audit the same thing on multiple websites, they don't want to learn from this. So yeah. This is very complicated, but let's do, maybe we'll do more Zoom meetings and stuff. SEO native ChatGPT big no, right? I'm able to write hardy to, yeah, 2 blogs is a lot. So please give me link for the house. No, you don't, dear. What is the Google spam update? Dev rules? No, VR. Try to understand what was the spam update. Learn about spam. There is no magic trick that you go and you apply on your website will be gone recovered from spam update. Spam update affected most of the website whose content was spammy, or they were trying to manipulate the search engine algorithm, or their content was ChatGPT generated low value content. So to get a website above all those things, you have to provide some value, make a quality website. And I know everybody says I have the quality website. We have this guy in our WhatsApp group. He was telling I have super nice website, super valuable content, super waste content. Everybody think like this. Be critical, watch the videos. I have so many videos to how to make your website valuable. Of course you will come over the spam update or start with the new, with a new domain. Shagun Chand, yes. Dev rules, yes. Hello, I am from Bangladesh. Hi, improve your skills. How are you doing? Weber, hello, how are you? How's your day? I am doing good. Weber, how are you doing? How's your day going on? 13 people watching. Nice. For example, you can watch this semantic SEO guide. Okay, watch semantic SEO guide. You have to learn all these things. Everybody who's thinking they can make some big money without investing the time, without learning a skill, please, I want to give you this news. Please forget about this. Every joker YouTuber was telling you to copy paste the content from AI, create age calculator website. These tricks don't work. For them it might work because they have big following. They can send people to their website. They talk about all their low value website where they put the news and stuff, and they tell you, and you guys all go and check. I know people with millions of followers, they run this kind of news website and say, okay, my website is earning a lot of money, but because they have millions of followers and they're showing their website all the time on the YouTube, on Instagram, everywhere, they got millions of views on the shorts. Of course people gonna check their website, but those tricks won't work for you. You have to learn all these things. You have to learn how to do semantic SEO. EAT, okay, you ask me how to get over with spam. EAT is very, very important thing. Everybody should be implementing on their website. Here's a video about it. I'm going to share this video. Watch this video. It's gonna help you like nothing else. Like, this will be really, really helpful video. So it's not like there's no, like I tell you, okay, do this and your website will recover from spam update. No, learn about spam update, see what issues you are doing, and then your website will be start getting impression and clicks again. This video, look, I talked about this thing. Everybody who complained about Google, I talked in this video, but 1,000 views. Nobody watched this. Even I tried to do nice title and thumbnail also, nobody watched this thing. So many nice video. I explained why ChatGPT copy paste don't work, 2,000 views. But watch this kind of video, they have so much knowledge and you will learn so much stuff there. So many things. I have tutorials for everything. We have for Discover, we have for SEO, we have for Search Console, solving all the errors, all these things. Sir, now I need to shift to other domain or need to delete all the content. Don't delete the content. If the content was useless, then yes, take a backup first. Do not delete any content just like this. It's very important that you take backup first. Like, first of all, take the backup, and then you can instead of deleting, you can put all the you can put all the posts to draft and unpublish them instead of deleting. And yes, if the website or low value website and the domain is already flagged, it's gonna be better to start new domain if you don't have like so much backlinks already created on the domain. If you already have backlinks created on the domain, you already work a lot on this stuff, just start creating new content, that's all. But this is the thing, I understand the basic concept. If you don't understand the basic concept, it's gonna be impossible. Now is spam update, next there will be other update, and then after there will be other update, and every time your website will be hit by any update. So if you want to, I have a website from last many years. We always provide like value content. We don't never spam people, and the website was running from long time, and they never have any kind of down. They're always up and up even after all the updates. We follow of course there's some exceptions there. Some website can hit by spam update or these update. Big website, huge website, but there are exceptions. It's not going to happen that. What do you think? What is the business model of Google? The Google business model or any search engine business model is like, people search queries and then they match those queries with the websites. If Google knowingly they say, okay, we're not gonna rank your content, we're not gonna bing your website, is Google losing their business model? So don't think that they really want to make your website down. Stop blaming Google and algorithm for all these things. Nice. 15 people live. Who's the first time on the stream? Also, like, how are you guys using AI on the content? It's very important that I already have so many videos about AI, how to use properly AI on your website, and how to take benefit of AI. Don't be those people who think like, okay, how many people you think AI automation will work, and how many people think that it's good way to write the content from ChatGPT. Google destroyed Perplexity and ChatGPT shares just by putting a now update. How? I didn't know that ChatGPT is a public traded company. Even Perplexity. I don't think it's a public traded company. You mean, okay, you mean valuation. Can you audit my website? Yes, we will do later the audits. Right now we're just taking the questions. I will open the audits. So how audit work? I will open the audits in some time once we finish all the questions which we have from last week and from our WhatsApp group, and then after we're gonna open the audits. Sir, how are you? I'm good, sir. How are you doing? Z, what is your full name? Where are you from? Sir, can you? Yeah, guys, stop. You're not the first time on the stream. Don't just everybody jump audit my website. That's why I'm talking before. Don't cut the conversation. What's always happening? Like is what to say? Okay. What are the best ways to build quality backlinks from country-specific website like UA or India? Should I focus on local directories, guest posts, or outreach to local blogs? Okay, the first of all, directory is a good way. If in the same niche, you can have social media links, directory links. They're really good way. The best way would be the keywords you're targeting for. Find your competitors and see from where their backlinks are coming from. This is the best advice, and you get the best link. What it will do, it will save the time of yourself. Instead, you find those websites where you can get backlinks. You will know where these other people created the backlinks, so you can follow them and see how they got the backlinks. You can reach out to them first of all, and also there are a lot of, you can buy backlinks. It's sad truth of SEO, but yes, you can buy backlink and it works really well. If it's really high DA, especially take care is in your own domain, and you can directly reach people, and guest post you can do, and yeah, outreach local blog. This is the thing I was talking about. Let me explain you something. It's very how you say, it's very basic thing I'm gonna say. You say, okay, what new thing you are saying, but that's the important thing. For example, we create this group. It's a WhatsApp community group. Okay, most of the people come here, not all of them, but most of the people come here, and we are putting a vibe. Slowly by slowly, people are getting the point. So most of the people, they come here, they're always being so selfish. Help me with this, help me with that, help me with this, help me with that. This is my problem, this is my problem, can you help me? No. Be part of community, how you can provide some help to other people, and then ask nicely, and people gonna help you 100%. Same way for backlinks also. Try to find people in industry, find their Facebook, find their Instagram, find their YouTube. Try to be friends with them. If you don't want to spend money, you can directly spend money and buy backlinks. And then you can outreach to them. You can say, okay, I have this blog and I write nice content. First of all, if you have nice content, you will get automatically organic backlinks. And then it's very subjective and debatable, like what is a good content, what is not good content, because everybody who even make the worst content ever, they think their content is the best. So that I would advise you, there are a lot of forums there, a lot of Facebook group, join there and say, okay, for example, if your website in, let's say in biology niche, or let's say is in EV, electronic mobile phones or anything, like, okay, then you can make friends who are in the same kind of niche, and then you can talk to them, try to get help from them, try to help them, try to communicate, try to make an interaction with them, and then once few days you have the thing, you can ask for them, can I send you DM, and then you can ask for a lot of things. I get backlinks from like website with 90 plus domain authority free of cost. Just free of cost, I get my backlinks for some of my projects without paying $0. These websites, they pay they charge hundreds and thousands of dollars for one backlink, and I got for free. Why? Because I provide value. I am active on Reddit, I am active on Quora, I have this YouTube channel, I help a lot of people. I'm sure I'm providing so much value on this channel. So I'm sure if I ask any favor from you guys will be more than happy to help me out. So implement the same thing. And low hanging fruits will be, you can always create the directory website, or you know, the local website, and social medias and stuff, Quora, LinkedIn, Pinterest, all these things you can always get the links. Sitemap versus item, which one is best? Use any, does not matter. It's more about your website structure and interlinking. If your website has less than 500 posts, you don't even need sitemap. You know that. This is the official statement from Google. You don't even need sitemap if your website is less than 500 pages. For bigger website, we need sitemap. That's very important. We tell via sitemap, we tell Google that these pages are important and how they are arranged. And we also give a lot of information, like when it was last modified. We give like a lot of other information about the pages using sitemap. But that's not at all mandatory for small websites. But that's a really good way to organize the website and also to help Google to understand your content. Sergi, can you show me how to check the fluid responsiveness? I mean, inspect element. Oh, okay, yeah, it's super easy. Okay, so for example, so this is my test website I always use for this channel to show you guys example and stuff. Okay, and look, this website I don't actively use this website. This website had AdSense approval. For all those people who say, okay, they want AdSense approval, for them it's a dream. Guys, AdSense approval is super basic thing. Anybody can get AdSense approval if you just put little bit of time and hard work. This website, even this website did not have privacy policy pages, did not have you know, like terms and a lot of pages don't exist on the website, still got the AdSense approval. You can see the AdSense here, but I don't use this website for making AdSense money. Okay, so how you check it? You can open any browser, any modern browser. You right click here, and then you can click on inspect, and every browser has this icon here. This is called mobile and it's responsive by one. You can also do on Chrome. I will not do because Chrome take lot of computer resources, and we are doing stream is already very how to say heavy, powerful. So I'm not going to open Chrome, but I think Chrome gonna work very well in this thing, and you have a lot of Chrome extension also. So you can see here, like now this is my website, how it will look in, how it looks in mobile devices. And also if you're using Elementor page builder, you can just directly go into page editor, and then from there you can find out how the website is working. For example, I have this issue. Wait, let me see. And then from here, for example, it's iPhone 12, 13, I think it's old one, and then you can change to iPad Pro, like bigger screens. Okay, no, not the right resolution. iPad OS, you can see now is the iPad size, and then you can refresh the page and you can see which section are loading fine, which are not loading fine. You can see, this is how you test the responsiveness of the website. It's very, very important the website should look good on mobile devices, especially when you have most of the mobile traffic coming to your website. This is how you can test. You can do same with all the browsers, like all the browser have this feature, all modern browser. And then also, for example, for specific queries, you can just drag your like this. This is also tell you, try to refresh the page. Once you change the layout, try to refresh the page, it will reload the elements according to the page size or the screen size. And this is very good way. It's not 100% accurate, but this is best way. I think most of the people can work with this method. Sometime when, for example, we are working on a client website, then we have some tools which we really need to test on the simulators. There's some simulators there, but for most of you, this is gonna be fine to test your website responsiveness like this. The Gazette News, Google de-indexed nearly 2000 of my AI written blog posts, leaving only 200. Big setback, but I'm learning focus on it. But yes, thank you so much, Gazette, for sharing your experience. That's what I say to everyone. And you know that I really feel bad for the people, like they put so much of time creating those pages, creating those content. Even creating AI content is not that easy that you is automatically create. No, you have to put some work there also. And what happened, they see some results because some stupid joker influencer told them that they can get success, make money with this kind of content. They might make some dollar here and there, they might make some more money using illegal ways to create illegal download website, but for long term they're going to lose years and years of their hard work, and the morale will be so down. I know people, they cry so much, their website is down, they're making like $100-$200 a month, everything gone. They make for a couple of months, then everything gone. So this, I really appreciate your message that you explain people how it works, because I still have people, there's some people on this channel who I'm teaching from last 1 year. They still think that AI content is copy paste content is the best way to create website. Gazette news. How can I better retain my integrity on Google? By implement EEAT. Go to my channel, or you find the link on the stream, EEAT video. Yeah, go to the chat on this live stream. You will see the EEAT video I sent. Implement EEAT techniques on your website. Stay away from this kind of content, AI content. And topical authority, topical map is another nice way to bring trust back. In your website for Google. There's so many things. Just watch the content, do semantic SEO. The thing is that if you are implementing all the right things, everything matches together, and then you have the ripple effect, or you can say snowball effect. You do one nice thing, then okay, I can do this next thing. Okay, I now understand more about categories. Now I know more about categories. Now I know more about topical maps. Now I know more about topical maps. I'm gonna take one pillar post and create 5 or 6 or 10 cluster content. Because now you create this content, not AI. You know what is written in all these 10 blog posts, and now you know what is written in all these blog posts. You can connect them with each other, like logically. And when you connect all this content, it discovered the best by Google. For example, if you think that sitemap is the best way to get a page discovered, no. The best way to get a page discovered is your existing pages which are ranking or which are indexed on Google. For example, if you create a new page, if you want to get the index quickly, link that page to a already indexed page. This is the fastest way. And now you have to be logical, like do not link a page which talks about dog food, another page is about best mobile phone. Do not link them together. It's gonna be a spammy task, and your website might get the spam flag from Google. Improve skills. Sir, I started watching a video last month and I see your sheer very informational logic. Thank you, sir. My full name is Al Mahfouz. Thank you so much, Al Mahfouz, for your compliment. I try to create videos which really help people instead of showing the numbers of how much money we make. Before this update, engines could take data of 100 US in one engine which cost 5, but now it costs 50. What are you talking about? $50 for searching what? My website has short form contents, is ranks in top 6-7. Just if your content is, when I create this video, guys, you can watch this video. When I create this video about, I think this was the video, topical authority, or this one, or maybe this one video. Like if anybody want to learn, the real techniques, I tell you, okay. Recently, a lot of people, YouTubers and bloggers, they stop blogging because they say, okay, AI is gone, because they don't know what to do now. And from here, I create a video, watch all these videos, 10, 15 videos. You will know everything, how to deal with this thing and how to get benefit from this AI searches. Because before we only had Google, now we have Google, we have ChatGPT, we have Perplexity search, we have all these things giving you traffic, and also you have really high chances to come on the top, get more traffic. For example, people who are making AI content before, you are fighting with them for ranking your content. Now your competition is gone, because those low value blogs, they are almost gone. They are not there anymore, because now we have in middle this brain of AI, which is saying, okay, this is super low value content, this website is gone. So now if you're writing any content even smaller, you have much high chances to get more traffic on your blogs. Sir, in GSC we can export data of website around 2000. Is there another tool which we can analyze more than 2000 queries? Yeah, I think you can do with other tools, Href, SEMrush, all those things. I'm not sure how many query you can do there. It will be interesting to know what you guys think about all these things, honestly. Saji, I have set the framework in a test website. Can you please tell me if the fluid responsiveness is correct? Then I can paste the entire framework in production site. Okay, sure, Pallav, we can do your website after. Any more questions, guys? And please watch these videos. They are very, very important videos. And it's really impossible to explain, you know, like somebody asked me, for example, who asked, I think, JB, no, who asked me that how to spam update. For example, like when you do the right things and how you do the right things, I cannot tell you in one video. It's really, really hard to explain you how to do the right thing. You have to have knowledge about little bit about everything. And you say, no, it's gonna will take a lot of time. Yes, it's gonna take a lot of time. that's why I create all these videos. So you can watch all these videos and then you can learn how to implement those techniques. Like just try to understand how AI works. For example, if you know, I created this video about how Google just destroyed ChatGPT OpenAI end. I created this video about Google just changed search forever. So first you understand about how search works, and then to real nice of you, it will be really easy for you to understand how to rank your website into Google search or any other search or AI searches or on ChatGPT or AI tools. So yeah, you have to be all-rounder to know. If you're running a website, you decided that okay, I want to do this business, I want to choose this as a career, like you have to be serious about it. You cannot keep looking on every YouTube channel, give me tricks for more traffic, give me tricks for more clicks. No, it does not work. You have to have the basic knowledge about all these things. Sir, please, how can I highlight the comment? Wait, let me see how I can do this. I cannot do this. Okay. So you asked me, sir, please make a video on how to write blog posts using AI. And then you asked me, sir, please audit my website. Two problems here. You are coming from the channel from a lot of times. Brother, what you are thinking? First of all, I'm telling you, don't do that. And I already, don't create blogs using AI. Create the content yourself. That's why we are talking from last 15 minutes. Second is please audit my website. We just told so many times, we will audit website when the time will come. Don't be so selfish. You think there's 16 people other on the stream and me, please don't be selfish, brother. What are you doing? If you don't have time, you can come back other time. You can come back later in the stream and then submit your website. You can send me email. But don't do this, please. How to write deep detailed blog that can follow Google EAT SERP condition. I created already video about it. For example, let me tell you easy example how you can start with. So every time you write a content, it should start with the intent. Intent is very, very important. What is the intent you're trying to fulfill with your article, with your content, with your page? It's not just about blog. It's about any website. It's about e-commerce. It's about anything. For example, I created a video about it. Let's say if it's information intent, somebody want to know how to install LLM, or let's say just for example DeepSeek on the local computer. So intent here is information. Somebody is trying to understand how they can install a large language model on their computer. So now to satisfy this intent, information intent, you have to create a specific kind of content. Your content will be a content which will lay out step-by-step process to install the DeepSeek on their local PC, their LLM on their local PC. What people does, they create the content and they say, okay, they start talking about what is DeepSeek, where it comes, how it beats ChatGPT. No, the users don't want to know this. This is not about, this is the intent of users is to know how to install it. So you should go directly. First of all, first line should be saying you can install DeepSeek directly on your computer using Olama, or you know, there are a lot of tools available, lot of software available by which you can install different kind of AI on your computer personally, so you don't need internet and your data will be private on your local computer. So you get directly this line, and then you see step by step process and then screenshot. So this is how you create the content. Now let's coming to semantic SEO. Now we are talking about semantic SEO, the real nice way when you focus on the whole topic, not just one keyword. So when you focus on the whole topic, you create your article that it satisfies the intent, and then it's have high possibility it will rank for multiple keywords. For example, if you create a content for how to install DeepSeek on your local computer, you can target multiple keywords like install AI on PC, how to download this, the supporting software, all these things you can target. For example, you say first of all you have to download this software. So you can create your content like how to what was the topic? How to install DeepSeek on a computer. So you can say first of all you have to download this piece of software on your computer, and then you can write one paragraph about it. So you see what you are doing. You are giving user information step by step, and every paragraph is a whole piece of information. So you have really high chances to get feature snippet. We already fulfill the intent. We know the structure of the post because the post is fulfilling the intent. And this is for example, somebody asks best laptop for video editing. You will not create a step by step post there. You will not talk about all those things. You will talk directly about which is the best blog post about video editing laptops. I talk about this already in detail. Okay, let me show you example. You know, it's gonna be much better if I show you with example. So I go to Google and I say best video editing laptop. Okay, and if you on Google, first of all it's gonna be because this intent is more towards the commercial side. So the first of all we have the sponsored Google ads. Let's say example this one. So you see what's happening here. First of all, this using same formula I explained in my video how to write the proper titles. And what's happening here? 4 best laptop video editing 2025. What it is saying that this content is recent content. This content is creating recently, and you can see it's updated like a couple of months ago. The best laptop for video editing we have tested is Apple MacBook Pro 14. I just told you this thing, how you answer directly. So you answer directly, you can see this is coming the first. If we go to this page, you see this is not the first. You see the first laptop. You see we have all those things, and they establish E80 here. Okay, I think they changed this. Okay, so this post is updated. I checked this post already. So this is what they're doing. They updated this post recently and they changed a lot of stuff. Here what they're saying is, look what's happening. This is E80, and also this website has very high DA. So this won't apply for every website, but this is how what you're doing. First you are establishing E80 here. You don't need to do write all this stuff because this website has high DA. It can get away with it, but no, you have to come directly on the point. So when we come here, what's happening is the best laptop video editing, and then they have real nice features here. Why it is the best laptop, and they say the best video editing laptop is the MacBook Pro 14. So answer directly. Learn from the ranking website. Learn from the ranking keywords. You can search for any keyword and find the. For example, let's take another keyword. Somebody want to give me any keyword? Best coffee beans. So for example, if I search best coffee beans, like take the first, and you can also do this extension. It's available on all the browser. Keyword everywhere. It's a nice it's a real nice extension. I sometimes turn it off because it brings a lot of things on the page. Okay, so you can see here it show you what the domain authority of this page, referring links, where they're coming from. Show backlinks. If you click on show backlinks, you can know that where the backlinks coming from. And just take example, you can see this is a website with only 19 domain authority, very low domain authority. It's ranking on number 1. Look what's happening. 2025 top 10 best European coffee roasters. So you know they are also following the model we already talked about, how to write the titles. Titles are very important. Description are very important. you can see what they are doing. So you can take example of this website, or try to take example of the better DA website, because low DA website, they are not permanently coming on the rankings. They might come sometime, they might not come sometime. So Google is testing always the content. How Google tests the content? For example, when you create a blog post, it's not always that your blog post will appear on the first page. It might appear on 15th page, it might appear on 20th page, it might appear on 100th page. But if your blog post is always appearing, or your website is always appearing on 100th page, how Google will test the content? How Google will know that your content is good? So that's what Google does. Google take your website and sometimes show to people on the first page or second page, just for experiment. And then Google take the data, or any search engine, or any, like the from anywhere you get the traffic. They say, did you satisfy the user intent or not? When user went to your website, was it satisfied or not? How much time they stay and stuff. You already have all the Google, like the code on your website to measure all these things, all the JavaScript code to measure all these things. And then you can see images. Let's talk about images. A lot of people are talking about this, and also I was on Reddit yesterday. Somebody was complaining about the website about blogs. Let me open the Reddit. I show you this a very interesting one. People are talking about how their blog is getting killed with AI images. Okay, so Reddit. We are here, and I think it was blogging. Okay, so I think this was the Reddit post, and there was a post here. Maybe this one. So there was a post about, okay, I think this was this one. No, there was another blog post. They are saying that their blog is not working because other blogs are using the AI content. Let me see. I think I get upvote on my, okay, yeah, here we go. And this is, guys, look what I do. I am on Reddit actively. I provide people value. Somebody is asking question, I know this thing, I provide value. Next time if I ask a question, people would reply me. If I just go directly, like asking random question, I don't think anybody will reply me. That's also the purpose why I teach you people in our WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group, I want to teach you people how to be more civilized, because some people, they are really absolutely, and it's not their problem, they don't even know how to ask question. They have no confidence to even say hi to some people. I know they are super shy and they're like, help me please. No, it does not work like this. So here this person is saying, I'm honestly so frustrated right now. I'm trying to create something real, authentic recipes that may not always look perfect in pictures, but definitely have a taste, smell and heart behind them. But every time I look around, I'm drowned by this army of AI blogs. Their flawless staged photos push them to the front while genuine recipe get buried. No, it's not like this. And I replied here, only bots will follow AI written recipes and love those AI generated pictures. Usually when I see website full of AI generated pictures, it's total no for me. I leave that website. I don't continue reading that content, because if that person cannot even put the real nice picture, they need AI to generate the picture. Imagine the quality of the content. We can use AI generated pictures sometime when it's required. For example, when I create some video on my channel, if I have to show something, I take help of AI to represent the thing, because I don't know how to, I'm not a graphics designer, and also I'm not at all a animator, so I don't know how to animate those things. So sometimes I take help of AI. That is the right use of AI. But if I create the whole AI garbage crap on my website, it will never survive long term. If you see, we have 43 upvotes in this post, and look at what everybody is talking about here. Look, so we have this first, which is the 31 most upvote. He's saying that's why your real blog with real recipe and real photos will survive. We are turtles, not the rabbits. And everybody, most of people agrees with this thing. This is people, they are professional bloggers here. So that was saying create quality content, and it's very important that you don't fall into the trap of AI garbage production of duplicate content. Some people take this very personally. We have this person on our group. He's like, why you can point out my content is AI garbage? Because it is. There are a lot of nice ways to use AI, but you don't use AI to create the new content, because AI don't create new content. Yeah, and this is the thing. This is the problem. I have to explain it to people where it's super simple to understand. If you know how AI works, you will know what you can get from AI, how you can positively use AI, not to write the AI blog post. And also, guys, join the Reddit communities, join Facebook group. They're real nice. And please, I honestly request everybody, if you join a group, don't be selfish there. If you're a selfish person, it's gonna be very hard for you. Nobody gonna come to help you. If you're a person who is providing some genuine help to other people, who really wants to be part of the community, who really wants to belong there, it's like friendship. When you are friends with somebody, if you just always ask help from your friends, they will be like, okay, this person is not reliable, and nobody would like to help you out. But if you try to be genuine, you try to understand what your friends, like talk to your friends, be nice there, always present there for them, you're gonna get a lot of help. You're gonna make a lot of friends in your life. And this is, I think, basic civic sense. We should all, everybody is be following on these things. Okay. Sir, can you, Sankar, sir, can you briefly explain how to write an installation guide about games? Installation guide about games, yeah, by step process. First, step one, with a picture, go to his website, give a link from where they want to download the games or buy the games. And I highly recommend you, please do not promote the games which you don't have right to distribute. That's illegal already. I hope you are asking the question for the games you can legally distribute. And then you can step one, and then pop-up will come step two. The more images you will present, the easier it will be. You don't need to write about multiple paragraphs. What people does, for example, if you want to create a blog post or create a content where you say that you have to install a game, like go to step one, image, step two, step three, and then in the end you say, okay, if you face this problem, you can put the specification of the laptops like in advance at the first on the top, that okay, this is the configuration you need. So people will appreciate you. They say, okay, this person not wasting my time. For example, if my laptop has 8 gigabits of RAM and I want to install a game which require at least 16 GB of RAM, and then I try to install, but game will not install. It's possible that game will give you warning. But if you are somebody who is writing already in advance that you need minimum 16 GB of RAM for this game, people will say, wow, this person gave me the most important information at the first and I did not waste your time. So you will satisfy the user intent, and then people who has the RAM requirement, they can install the game. Step by step process, more images, video, create a video. For this, okay, you ask me how you can write the best content about this thing. You write the step, images and stuff, and then in the end you make like 30-second or 1 minute video. You don't need to say something, show them at least how it's installed. If somebody want to watch that 30 seconds video, and they can watch, and that will really high quality content. Then again, one more important thing, why somebody will come to your website. Your website should be around these things. You will be helping people to install games, or it's about games and stuff, and you're providing more valuable information. And if you are implementing topical map, you have really high chances that your posts will rank, because you're not just creating one post about installing game. You have multiple posts about that game, multiple posts about how to troubleshoot if the issue happen, how to increase the frame rate of this game, how to, I don't know, a lot of stuff you might know. I stopped playing games from many years now. Yeah, so that was it. I can recall the name of unpopular tool which removes hidden AI markers. Oh. Okay, I ask you a question. I cannot recall the name of unpopular tool which removes hidden AI markers from ChatGPT text, making it more completely natural, better than typical GPT Himalaya tool. It does not work. It does not work. Guys, AI generate one content and AI humanize the same content. They are both AI. They are both AI generated content. They are both AI modified content. I'm gonna create a video very soon. There are guidelines from Google. There's a document, very detailed document from Google, I think like 50 pages, where it explains even modifying the content does not make that high quality, not at all. So anybody who's thinking they're really smart by humanizing the content, they're just, like not doing any good to them. It's also AI tool which is humanizing it, and it's only NLP can be done by yourself. You can always know that it's a AI content, and what you will do with duplicate content. For example, you say hello, how are you, or I can say how are you doing. They have the same meaning. I did not create anything new. Yeah, I think I have to create a video about it. A lot of people they think that humanizing is the way to go. How to write finance, stock market, news content. But check my videos. I have videos about all those things. I cannot explain every small thing here. I already have checked the channel. I have the video about some video. I cannot talk about everything. Micro niche keyword research. You can do keyword research from here. Then I video about how to write blog posts also. Where is the blog post? Here. How to write blog post, AI plus SEO strategy. How to keep AI and SEO. And if you watch this blog post, you will know a lot of details, and then you can watch if you watch this video, you will know basic how to write a blog post, right use of AI, how to get the points from AI, how to get titles and description from AI. Then you can mix this video with, for example, semantic SEO video. So when you're creating a content outline from AI, writing by yourself, how you can take benefit of semantic SEO. And then you can use this video, how to explore CTR, like how to write the best title and description. So people really click on your content. If you don't write a catchy title, people won't click on your content. So it's a mix of everything. You have to learn everything by yourself. Fahad, thank you, sir, for this detailed information. You are most welcome, Fahad. Sir, I will stand SEO agency Bangladesh could share some topics where I should pay attention to the most. But if you can you please explain? I don't understand. You want to start SEO agency, but can you please explain the question in detail? Can we use AI images, featured image? Yeah, for games you can use, but yeah, why not? Games it just depends on your topic. If I think it will be an image, real image from the game instead of AI generated image. If your website is already ranking, your website has higher DA, you can get away with a lot of things. You can do a lot of stuff and can get away with it. Sometimes I tell people, no, please write quality content. People say, no, this website is writing not so quality content. I'm like, yes. They already have so many backlinks, like hundreds of thousands of backlinks. They have already their DA high. They can get away with some things, but not you. Yeah, this is like very logical thing to analyze. Yash Patel, I'm late. Yes, you are late, but all good now. You are here. How are you doing, Yash? How's it going? Good evening, everyone. Hi, Abhishek. How are you? Good evening. Is Vaibhav here too? Vaibhav, do you got your different name? Because I remember you sent in the WhatsApp group that I will be going live. Are you on the stream? And guys, again I am telling people who are in the group already, please be respectful. It's not a help group, it's a community group. Try to be friends with people, try to provide help first and then ask for something. Don't be selfish, don't cut conversation. I see people, they're getting so much help in the group. We help them so many times, but they don't learn the basic manners. Somebody is talking, people are helping. Yesterday I saw Weber was helping somebody, and somebody come and they insert their question, help me with this. No, please let the conversation finish. And then they never say, people don't say thank you, they never say sorry if they do any mistake. Please be a group member, be a team player. Try to treat like how you behave with your family, like how you have respect for your family. Please also try to respect other people for their time. Okay, so Vaibhav is not here. Okay guys, any more questions? 13 people online. Who is new to the channel? फुल मजे में Come to Gujarat for Garba, maja nahi like. I always wanted to come Gujarat. I have a lot of friends here in Paris who are from Gujarat. You know, Gujaratis, their Gujus are everywhere. But I never really been to Gujarat. I pass from Ahmedabad and Surat while going to Mumbai, but I never been to Gujarat. Okay, I just post this in another group. Announcement. Okay. Any more questions, guys, or we move on? How many people online? We have 13 people online on the stream. Nice. 14 people online on the stream. Also, I will add some important videos in the description of the stream. You can also check that. Shankar. What is it? Sir, will you audit for my website? Yes, we are. We'll do audit. Thank you so much for telling. So many times you say, will you audit my website? No, it does not. I'm sorry, I can't audit your website. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about this, dear. This don't work like this. I'm telling you so many things, don't understand anything. Like, what kind of behavior is it? Of course, when we'll start, we'll audit your website. Don't have to say please and all stuff. Why you saying please? We'll do audit the website. I think we already did your website audit last time or not. We'll do it. Please don't. Okay, let's audit. Let's open the website audit. And this is the last time. Next time, if somebody please don't follow this thing, we're gonna block directly. I know people are long time getting a lot of help from the channel, but please, I have no chance to, like, this is not nice behavior. You cannot force me to do something. Like, seriously, this is not nice. Even you telling me please multiple times, it's not nice. It's not nice way to ask for something. So don't be in hurry, sir. We'll audit. Yeah, he already told like multiple times, and even last time he told, I say please wait, when we'll open the audit, we'll do the live. I told you can come back on the stream again, or you can just submit your site and then you can watch this after if your website will audit today. Can we get 3 or more learning pillar? You mean pillar for topical map? For topical map, you want to create the content? Yeah, you can create like I don't know how much you want. The more pillar content you will create, the more strong your website will be. Teacher versus student. No. I really want everybody to learn. It will help you in long term. For example, like if you go to somebody, the same thing you nudge them all the time, the person will become irritated. But if you say nicely, be patient, and then explain your question easily, then people will be more happy to help you out. I want to start SEO agency Bangladesh, sir. What advice would you give me as I want to start any business? What is good for me if you shared it? But have the knowledge of SEO. This is the first advice. And then second advice would be, you can go to the people in your local area and you can offer them SEO services. For example, you can do local SEO for your, I don't know, restaurant in your area, or for electrician in your area, plumber in your area, or any keyword people are searching there on the Google. That will best. And the best advice would be to have the expertise in SEO. What do you think about LinkedIn content post? It helps grow on LinkedIn. If you are writing AI content, no, because right now I have LinkedIn like 10-11,000 followers on LinkedIn, and I have to read so many people all the time, because in my feed AI content is there, or you can know. Now when you work with lot with AI, you will know which content is AI content, and you are like, okay, again, and then I just unfollow those people, or I just block those people. So if you were writing some your own point of view, please, yeah, it will definitely help on LinkedIn. 100% help LinkedIn. Where is Pallav, bro? Pallav was here. Pallav went to work on his website. Okay, any last question, or in 5 minutes we'll start the website audits, and we'll do the audit with some rules regulation. And if anybody says please audit my website first, that website will not going to be audit, and you might get blocked from the channel. My profile link, just search. I can show you my profile. But I'm not very active on LinkedIn. Like, I don't post a lot of stuff on LinkedIn. But if you want to connect, you can connect. Let me. Oh, 2000. I think I will come first based on my location, based on my. Here you go. This is my LinkedIn profile. I haven't posted something in a long time, but yeah, I'm active here for work and stuff. I can. For one, here's my link. There's a stream. Here's my LinkedIn profile if somebody want to connect, but I'm not really active on LinkedIn. Okay, any last questions? Like 2 more minutes, and then we open the live stream. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, before we start the live stream, let me explain the rules of the live stream. And it's very, very important rules, and everybody should respect these rules. First of all, be respectful, no spam. Have fun is very important. You can also participate while auditing other people's website. First, it will improve your logical reasoning, critical thinking, and also like your ability to make your website better. If you audit more website, you actively trying to see for how you can improve the website. So it's gonna be really helpful for you, and it's gonna be fun. Submit your website for audit via pinned link in the chat. I'm going to add a link in the chat. Do not ask me the audit my website. I'm going to add a link in the chat, and please submit your website only via the link. I will show you the link. I will pin the link into the chat. Do not submit website against Google, YouTube policies. So please don't submit a gambling website. Please don't submit a casino website. Please don't submit a adult content website. Please don't submit any kind of website which are against Google policies. Sometimes people submit this website, but we don't audit this website, and you might get blocked from the channel if you submit this kind of website. Do not submit illegal movie download website. Do not submit illegal APK website. Do not submit dowry calculator website, Dahej calculator website, because I know a lot of people. This is a problem with people. Their IQ level is super low. They want to do a lot of stuff, but they don't understand. They cannot differentiate between what is right, what is wrong. So people, they create so many people get dowry web calculator on their website, and in most of the countries, it's not just India. Most of the countries, it's a crime, it's illegal, and people, they create dowry calculator on their website. I see this joker YouTuber with like hundreds of thousands of followers. He's telling people to create dowry calculator. It's very popular these days, and people are creating these calculators also. So do not do this. It's really bad thing for society, for you. Even you might go to jail if you create this kind of website. And everybody who's saying that you can buy offshore hosting doesn't work. When you're gonna be cashed, they can catch you even from there. So don't do this thing. And sometimes I see these people, they're telling you add first different kind of content. Once your website is passed for Google AdSense, then you add the movie download links. No, don't do that. Please don't do that. This is very bad advice. Wait for your chance and learn from others' audits. For example, if I think 99% of the time people have the same issues on their websites. Yeah, Bihar Dahej calculator, exactly. So wait for a chance, be patient, and learn from other audits. Who need personal assistance can book the audit via link in the pinned chat. If somebody want very early, they want me to audit a website, you can always book a link, book a call with me, and I will audit your website. You pay me money. Okay, for the people who don't have time, they can always do this. Consider join a channel for members only stream. Okay, we haven't done this for a long while, but if you want to support the channel, you can join channel membership. Calculator YouTuber things. Yeah, most of them they stop doing blogging. Actually, they never did blogging. They're just like, you know. Okay, so let me show you how we can give a website to audit. And try to be part of the others audit also. You will learn a lot of stuff. So there is a page here. You can submit your website for audit. Your name, your email, and then what should I focus? Please write this thing. If you don't write anything here, I will not audit your website. Okay, it's very important that you write something here in detail. What should I focus in audit on your website? If you write anything and everything, your website will not be audited. I need to know what you really need help with, because if you just want to ask me, I'm going to explain the basic stuff all the time again and again. It's not worth it. Your time, it's not worth my time. It's not worth the time who is watching the stream. So please mention here in detail what should I focus on audit, then website URL, and then if you're subscriber or not, and then terms and condition and receive offers. You can check. Wow, very interesting ad. Okay, so look, we are talking about games and gambling, and we have this kind of ads. Okay, it's a game. It's not gambling, but still it's a game ad directly come on the site. Yeah, they're listening everything. Okay, so this link I'm gonna add in the chat now. So I'm gonna go here. So please use this link. Website. And guys, trust me, the more benefit you will get from watching the videos, then I audit your website. I audit so many websites, and weeks and weeks people don't implement those techniques. That's really pity. That okay, let's put this here. No, for website audit. Okay, so this is a link. I'm gonna pin this link. Now please go submit your website. Okay, so now it's on the top of the chat. Which is the best WP theme? The lightweight, beautiful, and optimized theme. The by default theme comes with WordPress. Is the best theme, because I know everybody of you gonna use page builder. So yeah, doesn't matter. That's the most lightweight theme. And also mobile device does not matter on mobile devices themes so much. Most of them are very similar. Just a minimal website will be better. Okay, so let me open. What is up, guys? If you want to share some more details about your experience with the SEO, website development, blogging, any business you do, online business, e-commerce, please share with people. I really appreciate that. That's really nice way to make friends. That's what I say. Provide value, make friends. Okay, so we have the first website from Pallav. Pallav, you want to know if website is mobile responsive or not? Okay, let's see. So like I told you, open any. Oh, this is a test website, Pallav. Yeah, looks fine. It's mobile responsive. Yeah, it's mobile responsive website. Yeah, I think it's perfectly mobile responsive, this design. Pallav, we are taking a lot of time to create a website. You become Amir Khan. Perfectionism. Perfection is the big problem with a lot of people. So the theme is WordPress latest theme. What is 2025? What theme comes with the WordPress? 2025? The basic theme comes with WordPress. You do not need to, if you want to create a simple website, a blog website, I think this is a nice theme. It's super fast and yeah. You're gonna use the page builder. So why not choose a theme which is by default comes with WordPress, and 1 million it already comes with WordPress, and you have a lot of options to do stuff. Now we have patterns and stuff in WordPress. You can take benefit a lot. And otherwise you can use Astro theme is nice, GeneratePress is nice, any theme. It does not matter. Themes matters a lot when you're creating a website for a portfolio or a company or something like this, where you need really advanced features in your theme, and that will save a lot of time. So if you can spend some money, you can buy a theme, or you can have those complicated themes and have a lot of features already done with them, and they already comes with the layout and stuff which you can use them. But most of you, if you are creating simple website, choose any theme, does not matter which theme you want to be. Okay, somebody website. Okay, so we have some website now. Karthik L, and then Lex Sati. How much time you? I think you are the one getting the most value from this channel. And yeah. Hello bhaiya, good afternoon. I am facing problem. Can anybody help me? Who you want to help you? Okay. I'll be grateful. I'm using rank month site, facing an issue with sitemap, news, sitemap XML. Now my posts appearing there, how in regular post sitemap showing. But if you have I have the couple of videos on sitemap, so you can exclude the sitemap from caching. That's the only thing, and I don't see any other reason that why your pages will not come to the sitemap. But try deactivating the cache plugin and exclude the URL of your sitemap from the caching plugin. So if this is your sitemap, take this URL from here and exclude them into the cache plugin. So this plugin is not cached, and this sitemap will always generate with the latest information. I have experience CAD design, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, NX software product development. Is anywhere near? Let me know. Oh, nice. Thank you so much, Pawan, for offering your help. See, this is how you team play. This is from different domain, but still offered his help to. I really appreciate, Pawan, your message. Yeah. So. Abhishek, this is the. But let me know what. I know you sent this message yesterday also. People having conversation and you just send your message in middle, like. The only thing is, see, this is what you need to do. That's why the basics are very, very important. So, how these things works. For example, if you have your website, let me see. This is your website, lexsathi.com. But also try to answer other people also, not just asking your own questions. So this is your website. Okay, if you are creating any content here, and then it's automatically adding in the sitemap of your website here. If it's not adding here, there might be two problems. First problem is your sitemap plugin is not working properly. Second problem, your cache is not getting cleared. So how you solve this thing? First of all, try to solve the cache issue because that's easier one. So go to the plugin and then exclude the URL of the sitemap, that especially. And then if it's not working, change the plugin. If the plugin is not updating the sitemap, then change the plugin. Use another plugin which will be updating your sitemap properly. Whenever you publish new posts, it will be added to the sitemap. There's no other third problem. Google Shift is ranking from keyword based ranking to AI ranking. Is that true? Expert says if your blog is picked by LLM, it will be ranking. How much is true? But it's the same thing. What is okay? First of all, this question has some problems. Keyword based ranking to AI ranking. This is not the best formation of the question. I understand what you mean. You want to say if you rank in AI search, you will rank on Google also. This is the same metrics. If your content is good, it's picked by both the things. Even you see the by default Google search is replaced by AI mode. In many countries, you still have the Google search. For example, in Europe, we still have Google search. If I go to my Google page, I have the by default. I don't have the AI button here. You see, and I can search best free WordPress theme, and then I don't have the AI overviews here. So yes, depending on the countries, but it's all about you need something. For example, keyword based, like, okay, how I explain this? Okay, so to start a conversation, to start a search and to produce the content against the search, you need one keyword. I'm not meaning one keyword like best laptop. No, like we are more like these days towards like topic based SEO. But let's say one keyword for example. So you can take one keyword and keyword related to that, and then start writing on those things, create content on those things. So that's very important, and of course that's always going to be important. And it's on the top. Yes, it's nice to have it's nice to rank on AI searches, and it's very similar concept. Okay, let's see who else we have website to audit today. Okay, we have Karthik L, financewithexpert.com. So I have blogs are indexing but not getting traffic. I'm writing my own content, my own words, and then giving to ChatGPT for rewrite. Okay, for grammar mistake. Make sure when writing the content you're giving to ChatGPT, it's not changing the language. Ask ChatGPT only to check for grammar and stuff, but don't ask it to rewrite your content. First of all, super ugly and horrible thumbnails. I don't understand anything on this thumbnail here. So very big negative point. Second, the design is not big fan. First of all the thumbnails are really bad thumbnails. All AI generated thumbnails, right? If I'm not wrong. Like what we talk already, like stop overusing AI. Like if I come on this post, I understand this person, even you write the best content in the world. I will come on this blog, I say, okay, this is another AI garbage blog. I will not click on this blog. And most of people who are using AI in everyday life, they won't recommend this thing. What Google says is you have to provide your own point of view. You have to provide your own value about those things. And if you're the basic thing which is the window people come to your website, is super AI created. Not the best thing. Use real things, use real pictures. Something happened recently, like recent, I don't know, like create, for example, I have some knowledge in crypto, so I can advise you. For example, if you create something about recent article happened with like CZ Binance, you can quote his tweet, you can quote his so what he said on Binance or something like that. So first of all, work on this thing, horrible thumbnails. Second is, I like your menu, your good menu. Okay, this is nice. Okay, stock market. First of all, you have a, and okay, change the design. I think you are wasting a lot of space here. Make it wider so you have more space on the page. I like the menu content. I don't like the menu how it is designed. It's super small, and yeah, I think okay. Are you using mega menu? If you're using mega menu, don't use mega menu because mega menu is really bad for SEO. I already created a video about it. Not really bad, but it's not the best for SEO. It make dome size really big, which is not the best thing ever. So try to keep your menu like simple as possible. It's fine to use icon in the first one, but like all these icons you don't need. Maybe try to make it like, I don't understand how it's working. Like this is the main, this is the sub menu, the sub menu. Yeah, simplify your menus. And they're repeating the menus here: Indian economy, Indian stock market, mutual fund. I try to simplify it. I think you have too much of content going on there. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's okay. What is this? This section is totally messed up. Try to make it like a little bit more organized. Bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller. You don't need that. And then what is this? Like, okay, let me see what you asked me for audit. You ask me your content is not getting traffic. It's how old your website is. If it's totally fine if new website don't get traffic, it's totally fine. And also like your pages are like, you will never get on Google Discover. You will never get the traffic from Discover because your featured image is not following the proper rules. So watch my video on Google Discover. Altcoin Pro Wealth Pricing and Plans 2025, honest guide with pros and cons. Bad title. You're trying to give a lot of information but bad title. Watch my recent video on this topic, how to write the titles. You will improve a lot in title. It's working. This video worked real nice for a lot of people. Some people messaged me, they also emailed me that this video is real nice for titles and you can take inspiration. You can always create, I gave a prompt in this video, but you can always modify the prompt and you can use your own prompt to generate like very catchy titles, because this title is informational but it's not effective title. Okay, so Altcoin Pro Wealth Pricing and Plans 2025, honest guide with pros and cons. Introducing, most people want to clear answer before paying to crypto tool. Is it worth the money? With what is it? Okay, so this is the problem with your content there. You talk about Altcoin Pro Wealth Pricing and Plans. Okay, this is the tool you're talking about, Altcoin Pro Wealth. Okay, is it a tool, Altcoin Pro? I don't know about this one. I never used this one. What is it tool? Is it exchange, Altcoin Pro? I say investment platform. You can make it a little bit better. What is it? Why this read mode does not work? Fix these kind of issues. 7 key difference between, what is this? Why you have links in the this is not nice. You are sending people to other place. This is not working. Write in direct answer snippable. Using the same image 2 times on the page, how it's don't help. Maybe add some real picture from this platform. Most people want a clear answer, but you are same thing you're repeating here. What you said here. Here's a simple breakdown altcoin wealth pricing plans to 25. No, your article is not very good quality, dear. Don't mind, but it's very bad quality. Look what's happening here. The article is about this altcoin pro platform to invest in cryptocurrency, and then first of all, image is not good. Titles could be better. We don't say titles is bad. Then we lost here. We lost you here. What is it? Read more button not working. 3 links you are sending people to other place. Bounce off rate. Then you repeat the same thing what you wrote here. So and then you talk about here's simple breakdown altcoin pro wealth pricing and plans in 2025, and then we have table of contents. No, we should be, if you talk about the breakup of plans, you should be having plans. You are like round and round and round, and then now you're talking about why pricing matters in crypto tools. No, you talk about this particular platform, just talk about this one. I think your content is, you are putting a lot of effort, but try to learn the on point content. Watch this video, semantic SEO guide. I talk about a lot in this video. Watch this video with AI SEO guide. This 2 videos will really help you out. Then watch this video EAT. If you don't have EAT, this kind of blogs, you don't get traffic, because you know we have so many blogs, like millions of blogs every day. Not sorry every day, but millions of blogs are in this field. They talk about finance, they talk about crypto, because RPM is really high in this domain. But you have to create your authority first. So watch these 2-3 videos on the channel, and you get, definitely I guarantee you, you will see a lot of change in your content, in your strategy, and on your blog. And anybody else can audit this. Fun Master, hello sir. Hi Fun Master, how are you? Is it your blog VR? No, it's Karthikal. Comparing values, altcoin pro wealth others. But you did not talk about the plan, what they have the plan, you start comparing with other people. This is bad content. You're not satisfying the intent of people. No. And then FAQ, okay, low value content. I don't find this content satisfying, and you have to work a lot. You have to work a lot with your website. Finance expert, it's totally fine. We all have a lot of knowledge, but sometimes we are not able to deliver the knowledge. We have to learn how to do it, because having the knowledge about the topic and delivering it nice way, 2 different things. I know with this YouTube channel, I have the same issues in starting. I know a lot about tech. I'm programmer and from many years and doing all this stuff, but I had no idea how to present to people. Okay, what is the gold? Why is gold price falling suddenly? First of all, stop using this AI images everywhere. So bad title. People who watch my this video, they know why this title is bad. Watch this video. Just this video will help you a lot. Then same again, like this section is totally bad section. It's really negative. Gold has been long ride, safe haven. No, talk about why this shift is happening. Don't talk about the gold history. And then table of contents after. And now again AI. Yeah, ChatGPT content. Yeah. First of all, anybody who is little bit of intelligent, they see AI everywhere, they will never read anything. Yeah, so this is the Sarthak, my dear friend. This is the advice for you. Sorry, Sandhya Karthik. Sorry for mispronouncing the name. Sandhya Karthik. So this is my advice for a blog. You need to do lot of things on your blog. Is it the VR? Is it your blog? So yeah, just watch the video. You watch the videos of mine, then you will have so much knowledge. You don't need to ask multiple times in chat to audit your blog. Just watch the video. I can audit your blog, tell you things, but to learn those things, you have to. Yeah, yeah, super low value blog. Is it a real contact page? Don't have anything. Put your social media at least here. Finance with expert, untitled. This is put something here. This is like EAT is very less. Wakif P donated 20 rupees through chat. I thought you donated $20. Thank you so much, Wakif P, for your support. We need a thumbnail editor. I'm trying to hire a thumbnail editor. Okay, we'll continue this stream. I just want to share something with you guys what happened with me recently. So I received a message from and tell me if I'm wrong, okay? Let me show, because I want to ask you, maybe it's my problem, and I wait, let me show. Where is it? So there's a guy okay, I think stop. So you can see on my channel there is a thumbnail. Wait. So this is a thumbnail. You can see this looks real nice. This thumbnail of Dhruv Radi video. I explain in this video how he fooled people. I know a lot of people. Okay. Second super chat? No, this is the first super chat. Oh yeah, overall in the channel. Yeah. But thank you so much. So this is the thumbnail of this video. Very high quality thumbnail. If you see this thumbnail, super high, everything is super nice. All this thumbnail is really good. I created this video to teach how Dhruv Radi is fooling people, selling his trash AI, which don't even have the features, as much feature the free ChatGPT plan provide, and all the poor innocent people wasting their money buying this AI Fiesta tool. So he showed me this thumbnail for this tool, and it was real nice. And like, okay, I like you, and then I paid him money that you can create thumbnails for other videos on my channel also. And then he quoted me very less price. I said, okay, when he gonna do this, I'm gonna make him more. I'm gonna give him more money, or we will talk about this for a test. So I send him some money in advance, and I say, okay, you can send me thumbnails, and I show you what thumbnail he created, and you guys can tell me if I'm wrong or this was super. Okay, where's the thumbnails? Just give me a few minutes, guys. Okay, I'm not finding the thumbnail right now. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't find the thumbnail, but they're really bad thumbnails. So I'm like, what my question is, like, the thumbnail delivered were like very different, and then the thumbnail he sent me, this one very different. And I received so many messages from all of you guys about this thing, the thumbnail stuff. Like, if you really have skills, give the real thumbnails, what you are capable of, because you will be wasting the time of people. And no, he sent me this thumbnail, so I was like, okay, he's nice, so he's very nice thumbnail. So I say he's a kid. I asked him, he's from like Bihar, and like, okay, I did not pay big amount, and he refunded me. He sent me back. I explained him the thumbnail not bad. He was good enough, smart enough. He refunded me money back, like the money I pay him. He refunded me 100% money. But the thing is that don't lie. The people, they say, okay, we can do this, but they don't have that kind of skill. So be realistic. Don't think like this blog we just saw, high quality. No, not high quality blog. Same with thumbnails, not high quality thumbnails. Okay, it will be really interesting if I can find. Why I cannot find? Because bad thumbnail. Okay, no, I cannot find. I think it was in a Google Drive link. Okay, no worries. So let's go to next website for audit. So I write in my own, then given later for write at ChatGPT. At this point I explain you why your content is bad. It does not matter where it's coming from. I explain you. Implement those points. Not just AI gen content. All those things. Okay, let's go next audit, guys. So next audit is of the website. And next time we are, please also take care. Don't bug with like same thing. Audit my website. First, you could, if you watch the videos, you already have your blog will be in much better condition. It does not, why you wait me to audit your website? Just watch the blogs, take action. I explain everything from menus, from categories, from topics, from content writing, from everything is present on the channel. You just have to watch the content. Okay, I hope you understand my point. Okay, let's go to next audit. Next website is Sankar Games. Right, Sankar Games is from Sandia. Okay, is the second website. How many website you will? Is the same. Okay, we already a website. I think is the same person who submitted both the website, right? Is VR is you both of the website you submitted. Do the same thing on this website also. I don't think I'm going to audit the same time website again. I can see from your design and the theme you choose is the same. Yeah, this one and this one submitted by same person. Same theme and everything, right? What do you think, Pallav? Right? Yeah, I'm not going to audit the same website. We already give you so much time. Fix those things, implement both the website. I think it's fair with other people also. Come back, implement those things which I give you. Come back in a few weeks and then ask your question again. Pokigen, focus on audit, nothing. I'm not going to audit this website also, guys. Please, it's important that you write something here. If you don't write anything, it's not going to be audited. Funny King, Rahul. Sir, I choose a topic and write a complete article on this. But last, I confused in focus keyword tags and meta tags, and I tried but not best title. How can I improve? Rahul, you can watch this video. It's all about title and description. It's very important video. Everybody and anybody can watch this video. If you're a beginner, I'm sure you will get a lot of value from this video. Where is the live stream? Okay, watch this video to help with titles and stuff and description. Tags, don't write too much about tags. Focus on the categorization of content, festival, top deal. What is this website about? We already audited your website. I give you a lot of suggestion. Like, I think you have not implemented those things already. Yeah, we audited this website. I can see you follow one of my article to create the, what is, not even, yeah, work on the design. Your question about the title, I give you the latest critical analyze website. We cannot even see the content here. What's the videos, dear? Top deals, nothing. Watch, don't even have content on the website. Create it. Okay, I suggest you. Well, this page is broken. What happened? Okay, you have no content on the website. Okay, Mr. What's your name? Mr. Funny King, Rahul K. I recommend you to first of all create topical map of your website. So when you create topical map of website, you will clearly know what content you're going to write on your website. So you're gonna create the strategy for your website. You don't write anything and everything. And once you're there, from where you can work on the menus, you can work on the content, you can work on supporting articles. I think your website is really super basic right now. You have to put some efforts. Even I give you a lot of advice, you won't understand those advice. It's gonna be like, how is it, super complicated for you to understand. So I recommend you go to watch the beginners SEO, beginners tutorials on my channel, and then have more knowledge. For you can watch topical authority video, you can watch content writing video, you can watch the category video. I have video on category also. Just guys, I show you here on the channel. You can always even search, and also category, can you search this? No. For example, you go to channel and then you see all the video related to categories. How to use category and tags in WordPress. I explained everything with examples. How to display. So you can just always search. I don't understand. Sometime, okay, let me ask this also. Let me go on bigger screen. If I tell some people, please go and watch this video on the channel, they're like, send me link, please. Guys, do some work. I cannot humanly possibly send hundreds of people links for my videos. Go to my channel. Just here search the keyword and then you find the video, if I'm telling you. Or to anybody's channel, for example, if you want to find ChatGPT related videos, if I have ChatGPT related videos, you just find ChatGPT and you find all the videos I have regarding ChatGPT on the channel. So it is not hard, you have to put some work. I cannot spoon feed you for even sending the videos link and everything. Yeah, spoon feeding is not good, but a lot of people ask you spoon feeding and they get if you say anything, they get angry. This is not nice. So yeah, okay. So yeah, that was advice for you, Mr. Rahul. You're in super beginning space. It's the time for you to learn more about website development and stuff. Okay. Where can I send website for live audit? Is the pinned link in the chat, and we already have some websites, so we'll see if I can audit all the website today or not. We already had 2 hours on the stream. Multiple niche content, blogger, WordPress, spoon feeding not good. Palla, you can call me Palla. We can talk about your GTM, GA4 and GTM. Should we use a page to show the difference categories, post and directly show categories in the menus? You can, okay, there are 2 things where you can do. For example, you can put the categories on the menu and also on the sidebar. If also, this is depending what kind of website you have. If you have multi-niche website and stuff, which is already very hard to rank and create content for beginners. But if you have a site where you're talking about one niche, then you can put categories on the sidebar also, and it's gonna be really helpful for people to, because not all the time the menu is visible, but sidebar could be another place from where they can pick on other topics. So that could be a really nice thing. Okay, let's go to other website. Next one. Sagun Chand, NPL updates. Sagun, you already have great website. What I can suggest you? Check the post quality, sir. Is from our dear Sagun, the Prince of Nepal. So these posts are written by different person. Can you evaluate? Tell me which one is good. Okay. See, Sagun is having some people. He hired a lot of people to write blog posts for his phone, for his blog. Sagun, you should be auditing websites now. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is similar like iPhone. Wow, they're so fast. But second screen, that's a really good thing. Leica, I like Leica. But why 17 Pro Max? Latest rumors. All the eyes on 17 Pro. One of the most anticipated. Blah blah blah. Snap cartoon cameras. Magic. Nice. Contents. rumored Max Campbell. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. I think it's nice. But how I can compare? They are two different topics. One is about bike, one is about mobile phone. See, motorcycle market outperform content. Oh wow. Okay. Nepal prize. Lot of snippable content. Nice. Yeah, I like this one also. I prefer this one. It's more detailed blog post, and also it has a lot of real pictures and stuff, informations and stuff. I think this one is much better, and not overuse of ads also. I like this one. Second one is better. Depend. This is like rumor, so it's a smaller also, but I prefer the second one. Wait, let me see. Why are so many things in content, but page is not that big? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Yeah, I think this one is better, more detail and stuff. But it's not always you have to write super detailed blog posts. You have to be like, this phone is not launched yet, so how you can write big detailed posts? That will be like writing lie. So yeah, I think the both are fine. I don't see any issue with both the blog posts. But keep it real, put real pictures and stuff, and yeah, this is nice to for comparison is good. But put more ways. Why you don't have WhatsApp here to share? Sagun, what are you doing? Your website is all about like you can get most of the content from WhatsApp. Give like WhatsApp icon here, here and on the top. Should always have WhatsApp icon here. I know you have link here, but WhatsApp icon is very good, very important. Design is good. I looked your website recently. Design is good. I like the design. Nice design. I like the design. It's little by little you start working on the website and you will get the way. Put more space here. It's too much cluttered here. Put more space. Like explain. There's a clear difference between this section and the new section start. Maybe what you can do, you can from here until here, like back. This section you have the little dark gray background, not light, sorry, light gray background. So this section divided. So every time you change the section is divided and you have different background. It will be easy for UI. Or this section you can give this one like gray background, so it's like divided to more things here. Okay, there are three different kind of posts. I thought this is like one is second. So yeah, too much. Put them, give some space to them between them. Finance, nothing here. Work on the footer. Footer you could work. I see footer is not the. What is this? Categories here everywhere. Yeah, it's okay. You can put them instead of like this long ugly pillar. You can put them like under like here. If you really want to put them here in the bottom, like horizontally, not vertically. Rest all fine. Are your YouTube channel also? What are you posting there? 7 subscriber, nice. Short channel. Yeah, short is a good way to, with your kind of content, is a good way to get traffic. So yeah, really cool. Yeah, it's okay. I think once your website get, start getting people getting traffic, you just keep updating with the latest trend and write decent quality blog posts is fine. The more people will come, the more traffic they get. And try to focus on the social sharing. Encourage people to share the content and create like, I don't know, fan groups. Create a fan group is really important. Maybe on Telegram or somewhere where you put all the information, and like infographics is good. Like you can make infographics, for example, all this content you can create infographics and then put here, because right now I think it's a little bit boring. Like it's too much of text here. If you can put some one infographics, for example, all these teams here, like you see this picture, but more infographics, and you can use AI to do that. It's totally fine to have help of AI to create this kind of stuff. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's from Anjan Das, logo AI tool. We already is the content line of the website is the title and web description okay? No. Anjan, I think we already audited the website. Is the logo AI tool? Where is the tool? I don't see the tool. It's not fine. You have to think about it. For example, your website is about it's a logo AI tool website. Where is the tool? Your website name is logo AI tool. Where is the tool, Anjan? This is not. This is misleading. What is the intent of you trying to satisfy? What is the purpose of your website? I don't see that purpose. You should have a logo tool. If you talk about logo AI tool. No, but I understand what I know. You are telling me what you are doing. What, for example, if somebody search for logo, AI tool logo, and your website will come, it's not the, it's not satisfying the intent of the user. No, then it's misleading. Your name, the domain name of your thing, and what you're doing is misleading. Your name of website is misleading. It's not the. You can do anything what you want. Like it does not mean it makes that like, yeah. But stuff like AI tool, then put different name, like best AI tools or stuff, something like different name. Your name is very specific. Logo AI tool, like it's logo AI tool. That's a very specific keyword you are using there. It's not the best how you say the name for your. It's not. It's like for me, I come to this website. Spam website. I directly think it's a spam website. I want to find a tool for logo and I land up this website which don't have tool. You understand what I mean? I know what you are doing. That's totally different thing, but this is not satisfying the intent of user. So first check is failed directly. Either create a tool here or maybe change the, try to have different domain name. That will be my advice. It's gonna be really hard for you. And you're gonna keep explaining to everybody for always that why, what are you doing? But does not matter that. Okay, what else you want to check? Title, meta description. Title, yeah, this is the whole thing. So logo. I don't think the title says very nice. You have not watched any recent videos of mine. I shared in the group. Like, please watch this video. Titles are super basic. Thumbnail, I think they're nice. This one a little bit nice. I know there's a niche for this kind of people. I follow the Reddit group. I show you. Guys, please use Reddit. Super interesting. You can find so this is a group. It's called EDC. EDC. So this is a group where people post their EDC. And wait, how can I change this? Best card. So there is a tool, people post this stuff. EDC. Oh my god, this is from USA, I'm sure. So it's everyday carry. So what they have this, and then this EDC for somebody. Sometimes it's, oh my god. Sometimes it's just like this. Sometimes people, students are there, and for example, notebook, pen, watches and stuff. So this has an audience. I see this kind. I think this is a very interesting thumbnail. Like it looks like AI. It is AI, I think. Oh yeah, it is AI. Like why you have 4 cups of tea at your place? See, this is like super uh, very narrow distinction between a good quality AI and spammy AI. So why you have 5 cup of coffee at your desk, and what it says? Nothing. This is spammy content. Pallav, EDC means everyday carry. So, for example, my EDC is laptop, watch, headphones, my wallet and everything, perfume and everything. So, EDC can be anything depending where do you live. Some people, for them, EDC could be different, some based on their profession. So, yeah, this is the, yeah. What else, man? What else? Like again, yeah, super complicated. This, how to remove a logo from a shirt without damaging fabric. This one I like it. Even it's AI created, it has some value. It shows like what you're doing, and it's gonna be very complicated for you to take a picture for this thing. This one is, I think, it's better. I don't like this one. We don't see what's happening there. So yeah, titles are not. Just watch the videos, Anjan. Yeah, guys, what do you think about this website? Do you agree with my point of view or not? I would like to hear your opinions also. Sir, but hairstyle give mafia vibes. Pallav, anything. I'm super far away from mafia. Okay, Anjan, man, your side is not in the right direction. That's my advice. You can always have your own point of view, own choices. Do not just rely 100% on my advice, and do not close your website just because I said it. Think about it. If you think it makes sense, take action. If you think it does not make sense, you can always have like your own thought process. When it's full, I like this thumbnail like this. It's much better like this. I like the colors, maybe not the content. Yeah, we are repeating the same stuff like 3 times. Oh my god. Pallav, you want to say, or should I say this about the ads? Okay, Anjan, your AdSense, maybe it's possible that your website, your AdSense account will be will be removed, blocked. I told multiple times on this channel, also in live stream and the audits, and every time you are breaking the one of the most important policy of Google, that your website don't have ads. Your website is inside the ads. So you look, what is the value on this right now on the screen? Nothing. Your ads everywhere. And I'm like, for sure, it's not very far. Your AdSense account could be declined. You see, you have just ads. Just ads. First, you bring people to. Don't take it personally. I'm just giving you the point of view, like how you think logically and how you implement your projects, how you create the strategy. So you are bringing people for AI tool, they don't find it, and when they come to a blog post, they find the ads everywhere. Super spammy behavior and against Google guidelines. King of ads. But how much money you make if you have so many ads? Please share with us. Oh my god. They write click here for download. Download what? Download what? They say this is in French called cliquer pour télécharger. So cliquer means click here, pour means for, télécharger to download. So to download, click here, but for what? Even the ads are also very fishy. Okay, Anjan, best wishes. Think about it and then you can take action. No, some EDC are really. I think there's EDC India also. I show you. EDC India, everyday carry India. Yeah, this one. So this is more about India, and we have different countries. Okay, so people post like this. So this person is having coin pouch, wet wipes, Sony camera every day. Okay, zero Bluetooth, Axis 75. I don't understand why people have this. I think it's super show off, and I never understood the purpose of this. Swiss knife. I never need this in everyday life. Impact mints. Okay, nice. Perfume is good. Everybody should have. Sanitizer, good. Excel wallet to put everything. Yeah, nice. Wallets. Comms, nice. Lamy Safari. Is it a brand? Nice watch. OnePlus Nord. Okay, everything is good. But I just don't understand and why you are carrying a separate pouch for coin. How many coins you carry? And then this I don't understand. It's super. I see this in most of EDC. They have this Swiss knife, Swiss Army knife. Okay, and you can see also 24 male. So it's a male college student, 24 years old. He carry everything every day. This. Okay, nice. EDC hat must be sunny. Rhino. Okay, very vintage. Why you carry knife? Where this person is from? Ranch owner. Okay, makes sense. Ranch owner, you might need this stuff. Office EDC. Oh wow, beautiful watch. What watch is it? No, thank you. Fossil. Gucci Fossil. And what is this? Headphones? Some cheap headphones. Okay, I'm sure it's a fake wallet, because this one they don't match with this one. Yeah. Okay, but nice. Anyway, this is very nice. I like the watch design until I see the logo. "19 male CSC student." I like watches. Okay. Oh wow. Nice. Ugly. Nice. Very good. Omega. Perfume. Headphones. Nice. iPhone 14, 15, 16. Okay, so yeah, let's not go off topic. But post a picture of your EDC in the WhatsApp. Guys, do one thing. Let's everybody take their EDC and post in the WhatsApp group. Okay, whoever is in the WhatsApp group. Maybe post in the chit chat section. Do not post on the blogging and other useful groups. Post in the chit chat one. Let's see who is carrying what. Okay, let's go next website audit. It's from Jeff. I have put a lot of work and time on my blog. I follow your content. I am from Africa, Nigeria. Would be glad to help me. But brother, I told you, tell me what should I audit on the content. You write that you put a lot of time. I understand. You follow my content. I understand. You thank me. Yeah. But what should I focus on audit? I write that if you don't write anything meaningful, it will be hard for me to audit the content of your website. What should I audit on your website? You should have written this. I already explained in the video, and I have a special section about what focus on audit. You don't write the relevant details. It's okay. Let's audit this blog. But please, if you want help, you need to be like provide the best resources to people to help you out. Okay. So I like the design of the website. Work better on your AI business plan generator. AI. Oh my god. Loan tool. Thumbnail I like. I like the thumbnail. Not this one, but this one is good thumbnail. This one is good thumbnail. Could be high quality, but nice thumbnail. This is a good thumbnail. Is the psychology of depth. How this is, guys. You should be having thumbnail. If I look this, I will click on this one, and I will read this blog post. This is a good thumbnail and design, everything. Look, this person worked on this blog to create the blog. Do you think you can compete with this kind of blog who is having even two blogs? Both have not good content, but one has design like this one, better design, and one has super basic design. Which one you think would work better? Useless watch. Nobody want to see the time and the clock on your website. Use this space for some better things. And CTA is fine. Maybe put your social media icons here when you have space. Maybe move this here. Right, put social media icons and stuff. Work better menu. Watch the video on my channel. What is the niche of your website? I am trying to find out. Finance. Yeah. This is okay. Menu is super busting basic. It can be one topic. It cannot be complete category. Investing basic. It could be like, I don't know. Maybe you could work a little better. Ask ChatGPT to make it better. So slow down the speed here. Design is 10 on 10. I think really nice design and stuff. Thumbnails are really good. I like it. Everything is really good. Footer, work on footer. Super basic. Footer not that good. Okay, let's see another 10 costly mistake every new investor should avoid. Let's know what's the investor mistake. 10 costly mistakes every new investor should avoid. Investing looks simple on surface. Buy some cheap, wait for later. If that was the whole story, wealthy in reality, most lose money, intelligent. The good news, you don't have. But you lost me here, brother. You should have like starting the word invest. What are these mistakes? This thing should be here. Like first viewport, I should be seeing this thing. Keep it close. So this one, yeah, this should be like this. Keep it like by default close. So it's on point. Choosing hot stock tips. Okay, nice. I think it's like ignoring the power compounding. Nice. Trading too often. Forgetting the I like the GIFs. Stock represent business. Overlooking cost and fees. Overestimating your abilities. Look, this is a good thumbnail. I don't think it's AI thumbnail. Maybe it's a thumbnail come from pixel.com on Pixabay somewhere. Let us know. Letting emotion control decision. Yeah, I think it's fine. Your blog posts are fine. But you haven't write what advice should I give you. Like what should I focus on the audit? VR. Bro, already video exists on keyword search. Go to my channel, watch the video. That's why I'm saying you are just go watch the videos, brother. You will know so much stuff. Instead, I cannot spoon feed you. Already video on the channel. Go to search keyword research. You will find the video. Yeah, nice blog. Let me know, Jack, what you want me to audit exactly. I like everything about your blog. Just few things I didn't like. I told you the footer could be better, menus could be better. Do you have like topical map of your website? Create topical map that could really help you out. Category busting basics. 7 ways to build financial freedom. Okay, what are the 7 ways to bring financial discipline for long-term success? Money management. Okay, it's close. Okay. Start with a clean budget. Pay yourself. It's very funny. I love it. Very, very interesting. Guys, you can take some example. If you want to write a blog, this is how you get the attention. Set clear financial. This is the relevant pictures. Even you create, even this picture is AI, it's perfectly matching here. This one I think is from Pixabay Pixel, right? These pictures. Let me know. Yeah, I think they're nice. Okay, they're for free pick. Yeah, you give credit here. Okay, they're all from free pick. Yeah, it's a website you can download free pictures without copyright, without royalty. Maybe you have to give the nice Jack. Your blog is real nice. Quality, I think your blog is nice, but it's gonna take a lot of time to see the value what you're giving. For example, this one is not like, okay, let's see business plan generator, what it does. Let's see. Business name is Tech Dreams. Tech Dream. Select a business type is Tech Dreams. Does not exist here. Consulting, let's say. Ads. Company. What it does. I hope it don't take a lot of time. Small business summit. MSMEs. MSME. Next. Okay, main competitor Google. We are 30 years. Generate business plan. Okay, startup cost $15,000. Monthly expense $5,000. Revenue. How do I know revenue? This you have to tell me. Okay, generate business plan. Generated executive tech dreams consulting description. What is this? This is useless. You just wasted the time of people who come to your tool. Better don't have this tool on your website. You just ask me what I have to, just give me information in like one page. This is what you should not do on your website. Your website is nice, but get rid of these things. Useless. This business plan should not be on your website. If you don't provide any value, say I wasted in front of you like 2 or 3 minutes, but it gave me zero value. So you either remove this business plan or put really nice business plan. From help of AI, you can use AI API from ChatGPT somewhere, code it and then put a real business plan on here. Like this one is useless. Even anybody who come who trust you, they see this, they say okay, this is a trap. Same thing I expect with everything. This could be nice. This could be useful for people who want receipt. I know a lot of people want invoice. I need invoice a lot of time. Business stage, I believe this will be the same thing also. Yeah, but which doesn't make sense. Remove these things. This is the important thing, that you have to gain trust of the people, provide them some value. Plagiarism, like I don't know why somebody would come to check for this low value tool, loan calculator tool. Okay, this could be interesting for somebody, but yeah, it's your domain, so it could be nice. Yeah, customer lifetime. Okay, but yeah, work on these things. And no, Google does not. Hi Ravi, how are you? Google does not penalize the AI generated infographics. It's just how tastefully they are created, and it depends on the users. For example, I don't like, for example, if this image, this is AI generated image, it's fine. But we saw other pictures which AI generated, I don't like them too much. You know, we saw like 5 coffee mugs in a picture, those kind of stuff. And AI usually produce this kind of weird pictures. I don't like them, and you should not be using those pictures for serious topics and stuff. But grow, make more content, have more passive income. What are you talking about, passive income? 10 secret website. Yeah, but what extra you're telling here? But compare this with like somebody, for example, 10 secret website. First of all, work on the titles. You can watch my video recently and then you will know how to write titles. I think titles fine, but not really that great. So let's say this website 54 DA. This is your website. The best thing would be to know the quality. You can just compare with the top ranking websites and know what they are doing. Just compare them side by side and you will know. Okay, 15 secret website. Okay. to make money 2025, and then the picture. Yeah, I think picture would be nice first, but it's okay. I think it's better. You have picture directly here. Okay, Printify is selling for free. Nah. I think this is a nice one. You provide very little information. The spelling mistake, correct the spelling mistakes. You lose me on the spelling mistakes. Put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know where I am. Earn by sharing legally. Okay, very. I think you can take inspiration from here. It's a nice one. What people can do, a little more information, more links here. I see no links here. Set up some links so people can go directly there. There's one website here. Okay, I see the link. See what they're doing, what you are not doing, or what you can do. For example, you see how they are like, it's very clear. It's in bold letters. Dog walking, pet sitting, all this stuff you can write. Take inspiration from all this website. Let's see next website. Look. Okay. And also like put some website which they don't have. Like if you're putting generic content everywhere. Okay, put this pros and cons, something like this. This could be a good addition for your blog post content. So yeah, this would be the let's please implement those stuff, and next time let me know with more detail what you want me to audit. Okay. But a nice website, nice design. I like the design of the website. Really cool. Okay. Next website is Kabir. Waqif, I don't know. I do not have your website. What website you created? This is the all website I have to audit. Did you submit your website? You said you gonna Waqif P. This is the all website I had. Let me see if I audit all the website. Yeah, Lex Sathi, we did it. Finance with this. Sankar, Pokijan, XYZ, not the Baba Tak we did. NP updates, logo I tool, context flow. Okay, yeah, this is the all website I received. Okay, so big advertisement on the home page. Remove this at least from the home page. Who want to see the ads on your website? And this again, you are also breaking one of the policies. This is the big part is the ads, and here's the ads. Imagine on the mobile device on small screen, this will taking all over the place. Yeah. So I love webtools.com. Free web tools for different effort line online productivity. I love web tools. Access for a free blog. Too much how to say text here. Keep only one line. Remove, maybe you can remove this one. AI all tools, image converter, cheap domains, blog, buy me a coffee. Cheap domain checker, affiliate disclosure. Okay. Too much ads. Oh my god. I don't understand this website. Too cluttered website. Make it simple. Too much cluttered. Too much ads. Oh my god. I see your AdSense going away. Website and image content creation. What is it? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. You put everything in the same place, but the tool does not work. Okay, image converter, support format. Yeah, I'm not sure about this kind of website. I think this is already too much competition. What do you want me to audit? I have okay, so this person says I have many impressions on the site, but they are falling. Also, the SEO is good on many pages, but only the multi-view YouTube page gets views while other page don't get views. What is the multi-view? I don't understand this tool. Okay, multi-view image tools, AI generator, 100 multi-browser YouTube. The only page you are getting views is doing the stuff against policies. Yeah, yeah. I don't know what should I say. It's very hard to rank these things. You have only this tool. Let me know what you want me to actually, or you do not write anything. It's really hard to this kind of website to get traffic. And keep, if you want to get people engaged, you want people to come, first of all get rid of ads, very painful to find the tools, and make it simple, your website, make it more simple, like easy to find. I don't understand right now anything, like it's taking a lot of time to understand how this website is designed. So that would be my advice for you. And also these are like very low effort, like we already have tools for this kind of website. You're not providing any, like full screen capture online. Like I don't think a lot of people want to come on your website to do this stuff. Free random color palette generator. Okay, let's see. Okay. What is it? No, it's not color palette. It's a gradient generator. What is the use of this tool? What I think, I come here to this is not color palette. This is a gradient. I show you what is color palette. So just adding this kind of all these useless tools is just wasting time. I show you what is color palette generator. This is the color palette generator. For example, you go here. For example, if you see explore trending palettes, so when you have, look, this is a color palette. So if you create a website design, you can use color palette to design different things. For example, you can have links in this green color, then subheadings in this color, then background in this color, there's some, you can use this color. So this is a color palette. This is not a color palette. This is a color gradient, which is also not asking you the second color. So yeah, this is not at all color palette. You can do this. It's a spammy website. You are telling me you're gonna generate a color palette, but you are generating a color code. Like I don't know what is even generating. So yeah, you have so many tools you can get the traffic, but I would never work on this kind of website. About us generate. People go to ChatGPT to generate about us all this stuff. Why would somebody come to your website to generate all these things? See what value you're providing. Favicon generator, free image to text converter. Do something better, brother. Get cheap domains. Okay. Still work? Okay, taking forever. Whew. Okay, that would be my advice. Low value tool website. Yeah, okay, where we are on the stream? Any more questions? EDC, mobile watch, handkerchief, perfume and comb. गरीब आदमी हूँ. I'm using add insert plugin. Don't use add insert. Okay, add inserter is good. Yeah, but put on the right places. If you have add inserter, you have more control on the ads, so put on the right places. Sajia, interesting. Do this news sticker helps in UX because I find distracting. News sticker. Yeah, it could help for like big websites, news ticker. People come there to find the recent news, breaking news, but it does not help for every website, and especially when it's too fast. But it could be helpful. Yeah, why not? Future post repeating twice. Palla, how is traffic going on? Invest in finance. So please, one video on keyword research. Okay. Hello, Jeff. Hi, Jeff. Sir, I applied for AdSense severely and haven't gotten due to low value content. So yeah, maybe you're creating the, how you're creating the content from AI. Okay, guys. Any last questions? And then I think we're going to wrap up the stream. And please watch the videos. I think most of the things we talked today, you could have easily known by if you have watched the videos. Even you have in-depth knowledge of those topics if you have just watched the video. So yeah, that will be my advice. Any more last questions, and then we're going to wrap up this stream. Wakif P, it was your website, tool website. Look, the tool is still not working. So it's a spammy tool website. Create some tool if it has create one tool which has real value. Use ChatGPT or another AI tool to generate a valuable tool. These are like already so many. I think you're trying to copy I love PDF.com or I love img.com, but the tools are not even working. So yeah, you are wasting your time on creating this. Keep this website. Maybe add some valuable things. It's really hard to work with this website. Okay, last question, couple of minutes, and then we're gonna finish the stream. We have, wow, 2.5 hours. Very long stream today. And guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the stream, like the videos. You can hype the videos, support the channel also. We're creating so nice videos, but not reaching a lot of people. I don't know, the YouTube algorithm is weird. It's just limiting the reach. I think people don't want to watch the super in-depth content. They just want cheap tricks and tricks. That's why these videos not getting everywhere. But I think a lot of people want this kind of advice. They should be watching this kind of content. So yeah, if you hype the videos, like the videos, that will really helpful. Okay, last questions, and then we're gonna finish the stream. Good night, good night. Oh. But Wakif, did you submit your website? Where is your website? What website did you have? I did not receive your website. The last website I had was this one. I love webtools.com. Was this your website or somebody else? But submit the website via link. How do I know where is your website? Or tell me which website you submitted if you already submitted. Don't put the full name .com. Just tell me the first. Saji, what I will be eating dinner? Oh, what I will be eating dinner? Today, I think. I think I will. What I eat depends what I ate in lunch. So in lunch I ate what? Lonti. I think dinner would be like some little bit lighter. Maybe some quinoa with some salad and some tomatoes, olive oil. Yeah. Wakif, I did not receive a website. How I ordered a website? Crimos. 4 roti plus egg curry. But I did not receive a website, dear. 4 roti, not more than 4. that was very specific. 4 roti and egg curry. How many eggs? Please mention that Pallav that also. How many eggs will you eat? Yeah, protein is important. Protein is very important. You should have like good protein in your diet. Wakif, I think you did not get the point. Maybe we can audit your website next time, but this is what you have to do. I show you my screen, okay? Is this your website? I search on Google. Is it your website? If it's this one, I can audit this one. Let me know. But normally what you have to do this, you have to go to the stream like, and here this is the link. Here is the link. You click on this link and then you come here on this page and then you submit your website here, and then you tell us what you want me to audit on the website, your name, your email, website URL. This is how you submit the website for audit. But tell me if this is your website, so I searched on Google and I found it with the keyword. I did not. Is this your website? You see on the screen? I did not receive the. Tell me, is this your website? Yes or no? Because I searched with the keyword, you say crimos. That was the keyword you had, right? Is this the one you see on the screen? Crimos? Okay, let me see. I think current weight 108, need to reduce to 75. Egg curry with roti, a little bit harder. Yeah, I know how we make egg curry in our homes. Maybe I'm dieting only one egg. But by 4 roti is a lot, you're just having carbs. Like for weight lose, you have to take like protein and do some workouts and stuff. After AdSense payment, I will join 100 days naturopathy course. When you will get AdSense payment? Okay, Baki, let's audit your website next time. Okay, let me check if you submit it. Or let me know if this is your website, which I show on the screen. Now I cannot even speak properly. Okay, let me go to my website and log in. If maybe sometime emails don't work, maybe they go to spam or something. Okay, contact form. 674 guys, officially number of website, almost we audited. No, we do not have. Okay. Because you submitted like before the stream. You did not submit during the stream. Okay. Got it. So this is your website. Yeah. Okay, so this is the website. Yeah, it's the same website I found on Google. New site waiting AdSense. What do you want me to audit then? Yeah, looks clean. Why you have move them to footer? You don't need those pages here. Just keep this. Guide fixes AI news. Okay, this is also multi-niche website. How to speed up Windows 10. These kind of things get a lot of views. But don't send for AdSense. It will decline. 7. You don't have enough blog posts. You have very less blog posts, and yeah. There you have these pages here. Remove them from the menu. Not enough content. Your website is super like how to say thin website. I think do some changes before sending it to. Yeah, even the blog post is not detailed. Not even, for example, how to speed up website 10 proven tips. Boost. Show the tips how it's done. Don't write. Don't show with like screenshot and stuff. Best AI tools for student 25. Grammarly, key feature. Add more stuff. This is super low value content, low value website. If you learn anything what I told in website, other website audit, I think you might not need my help to audit this website. You can audit this website yourself. Thin website, not enough content, not quality content, not proper menus, no proper categories. Work on this stuff. Watch the videos on the channel. Yeah. What else? I have nothing on the website too much, so I can audit anything. Tell me what you want me to audit. Government of India should give you National Website Audit Award. Yeah. If there is an award, please recommend my name for National Audit Website Award. So yeah, Vakif, this will be my advice to you. Don't send this website to AdSense support. It will most probably 99% will decline. You have it's thin website. Like focus on first creating quality content. If you creating this ChatGPT alternative, let's see this quality. What makes ChatGPT is actually where this link is going. Link is going on Google. Why your link is? It should be going to another article. Or no, this is not how you link. This is like okay, you need to learn how to create the content here. ChatGPT alternative. Okay. Again, content going on Google. No, write detailed blog posts about all these things, and then add those blog posts to your inside. Like what? Why you sending somebody to Google? Like even on Google search, not even their own website. Super low value content. That is my advice. You need to work a lot. Watch the videos and improve the blog. Okay, I think that's all for now. We still have guys. Please always try to like the videos. It really may help the channel. And also people who are new, please subscribe to the channel. Spread the channel, share the channel with the friends, family, anybody who you think can get help from this kind of channel. People who are stuck into SEO, blogging or digital marketing or WordPress. I have so many videos about WordPress and web development also. I have this video about HTML, CSS also on the channel. You can watch the video also if you want to learn HTML, CSS. I think it will be helpful for you for your website development journey. And yeah, a lot of AI tools also, AI tutorials. Watch those tools, you will find so much value there. Okay, I hope I answer everybody today and then everybody is satisfied. And again, I request you, please people, please be nice in the WhatsApp groups. Don't be selfish, don't cut the conversation. Provide value, then ask for value. It is not a help group. We don't pay people money in the WhatsApp group. It's better you don't join the WhatsApp group. If anybody wants to come there for selfish reasons and only want to take, not give, please do not join the WhatsApp channel. That's not a group. It's more like a community. I want to grow with people who can help each other, who care about each other and provide some value without selfish reasons. And please write message nicely, say thank you, say please in the WhatsApp group to make the group a nice group. Okay, that's all I would say, guys. Goodbye, take care. Jemmy, you can join there's a video on the channel to join the WhatsApp group. You can know how to ask for help. There are a lot of details about the WhatsApp group in the video, the second last video you can watch. Also, you can find the link in community post to join the group. Okay, and I am really happy. I see a lot of people are coming there who are helping people. They are sharing your point of view and stuff. And there's always a chit chat section. I was having chit chat yesterday with Alex about something. So yeah, there's I'm sure we can create this community. I'm sure we have to remove a lot of people from the group. So if you are removed, don't take it personally. Identify why you are removed. I don't want to remove somebody because for no reason. It will be a reason. Maybe you are disturbing the ongoing conversation. Maybe you're not respectful. Maybe you sent a DM to some people. I know a lot of people don't understand these kind of rules. But yes, trust me, they are there for your own benefit and for benefit of other people. So please join only if you can respect WhatsApp group and you want to be part of a community. Do not join this group for help me. Do not send. I saw some people, they are so much how you say, they always ask, okay, help me with this, help me with this. 10 times they send questions like, help me with this, help me with that, and they never reply to anybody else. They just want to suck the information and the help. Please, these kind of people do not join the group. If you abuse the group, you will be removed from the group. Please don't take this personally. Just let's try to grow as a community together, okay? And with that note, I think I'm gonna end this live stream. Thank you so much. We are almost 3 hours on the stream. It was real nice. How many people are still on the stream? I think after 3 hours, nobody will have power to staying on the stream. So yeah, we have okay, 3 people now. So yeah, goodbye guys. Thank you so much for joining, staying on the stream until this late, and good luck. I wish you luck with your website projects and everything, and see you soon on the next live stream. Okay.